Jai Sri Ram, friends. In the remedial episode of 9 planets, already Sun and Moon has completed, and today we'll talk about Jupiter. On the Jupiter, remedial part will come in two division, two part, first part and second part. First part will in English and second part will come in Hindi. So first of all, if you lost in gold or gold ornaments, debt money, close your education, lie rumor, bad elements affection, habit to wear mala and hair disappear. It means your Jupiter is in bad position. Remedies number 1. Pray to Brahmadev. Pray to People Tree and offer water and milk on Saturday. If you adding some jaggery and black till or urad, that will be more beneficial for you. So offer water and milk on Saturday to People Tree and put Keshar Tilak daily and beer on nail and tongue. Pour 400 gram dal, chana dal, or stick turmeric in river on every Thursday. It will be very beneficial for you. Don't return ever bigger at any cost. Don't return any bigger. Drink Ganga Jal and bath with some drop. Clean your nose every time. Put yellow cloth, maybe in handkerchief in your pocket. Do not be a liar. Evidence. Never. Put the People Tree, if you can, on temple and pray daily, because Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh and Ma Trishakti Devi is living on a People Tree. So pray daily. If you can, put a People Tree on temple. It will be very beneficial for you. Put a pot of plant for yellow flower. At your home or keep some gold or gold ornaments in yellow cloth at home. Put sikha on head. Sikha means choti, a bunch of hair, long hair. If you can put, there will be very beneficial if you are in debt or some completely confused situation about money or something and development. Don't bath in front of anybody. It's reward. So take care. Cover a hole in front of house. Don't take yellow things and gift. Don't take, don't give yellow things and gift. Gift like anything should not be yellow or anything. Keep faith and wear gold in neck or yellow thread. If you are not capable to wear gold or gold ornaments, then you wear yellow thread. For Gajkesari Yoga, it's a very marvelous yoga for winning a win-win situation in your life. For Gajkesari Yoga, put a turmeric tilak tika on silver goods. Help to others for pilgrimage. It will be very helpful touch, beneficial. Don't to give payment to anybody in your business relation or in personal or any matter. Don't payment on Thursday. You must take care if you are having in bad situation, bad monetary situation. Wear a root of banana in gold or yellow thread and put tilak of Kesar every day. I think it's very beneficial for you, and you want any personal suggestion by your Kundli beside, then I am open for you. Always you take my WhatsApp number. It's available on All About Astrology, the Ultimate Solution on YouTube channel, and my email ID also. You can contact. I'll give you 100% solution. There will be no if, no what, no cut. And that's all for today. Thank you.